This is a social platform where you share your experience, explore it, and find lifestyle you desire, which is created in China. Now here I will show you how to use RedNote, best social app for all country. Now to use it, open it. Here in this tutorial, I will show you everything you need to know about this RedNote Xiaohongshu International. Also, it is called Little Red Book International. And if you are visiting this channel for the first time, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more tech tutorial, and also because you will love this channel. Now click on agree, wait for it. Here click on allow to get notified when update. Now wait for it. The first step is how to sign in. Now to sign in, here you can see login and other login method. Here click on login, but you can also use other login in order to log in, either by using your Facebook or using your Google email. But the Google email feature is not now accepted. Make sure you accept their terms and policy. Now click on login. Here enter your phone number by clicking on this enter phone number, but first select your country code by clicking on this country code icon. Now go to your country code. Now after searching for your country code, now click on your country code. Now after selecting your country code, enter your phone number. Now click on login, wait to receive the confirmation code. Now go to your message or your WhatsApp where they send it. Now open your message or your WhatsApp anywhere they send it. Now after copying the code, paste it here. Now click on login. As you can see, it is loading. Now select the gender and the age. Now click on next. Here select your interest topics by clicking on it. Make sure the interest topic you selected are 4 or 5. Now click on start experiencing. Now click on allow. Here follow the people you like as a first time person in the platform. Now after following them, what you do is now click on next. Now click on allow. As you can see, you have signed in. Now step 2, how each features work. Here on home screen is where you find content uploaded by people. You can see for you. Here for you is where you find latest content. Here on video is where you find video. Here on live stream, also you can see them all just by clicking this down arrow icon here and see all of them. You can see science, you see it, you can see, you see it, you see it, and also you can remove it by clicking here, or you can just edit it just by clicking this edit the one you like, remove those you don't like. And also after editing it, just click on this done icon here and then click on this arrow, this up facing arrow on the side here. Here also in shop is where you find product to buy. Here is where you find product to buy. Here you see it. And also here on this plus icon here, on this red plus icon is where you can upload your content. You see it. Here is where you can upload your content. You can go specific to video by clicking here. You can also go straight to photo by clicking here. You see it. And select the photo you want to upload and upload it. Also you can generate something with AI by clicking here and then type what you want to generate and it will generate it. And then click on this generate here to generate it and wait for it to generate. As you can see, you see the speed, and then wait for it. And to go back, just click on this back facing arrow here to go back. And here now to also go back here, just click on this cancel icon or click on your back navigation like this. Here on this message is where you will find messages sent by people, and also people that like, people that follow. And also you can create a group by clicking on this group and then create a group how you like, either new group or create a square group. Also here on this me is where you find your contents. Here is where you find your contents. Here is where you find your profile. Here you can also change something on your profile by clicking on this profile here, then change stuff on your profile like your name, your bio, and also your gender, and also your birth. Also, to change your bio, just click here and then type it like this. If you can't speak China, make sure you have this keyboard, Yandex keyboard. And I will leave a link on the description section. Now, here to do it on this Yandex keyboard, just click on this icon here and then click on this translating icon here. Just type it like this, change it to English language like this, and then leave the other side in Chinese like this. And then type what you want. You see it just translates it into China. Now you can save it by clicking on this arrow, good arrow, and then click on this save icon here. You see it, I have updated my bio. You see it, and also you can change your profile icon here or your cover photo like this. Now select any cover photo by clicking on this cover photo here, and select any cover photo you like by clicking on it and then follow the process. Now to go back, just click on this back navigation here. You can change your profile icon just by clicking here, then select the profile icon you want or use an avatar or upload an avatar like this. Now click on the picture you want to upload like this, and then click on confirm, and then click on next here. Then wait for it to complete the process by uploading. Now step 3, how to find shortcut on RedNote Xiaohongshu International. Now to find each shortcut, just click on this 3-line icon on the top side here. You see the shortcut. You see you can discover new friend, you can create a center, you can find your default. Also here on history, you can find your history. Here on cast is where you find the product you purchase. Order, here is where you find your order. Also you can find your settings just by clicking this setting, then you find the shortcut to your settings. You see it. Also here in scan is where you can scan, you know how to use it. Feel free to try this application and tell me how it works on the description section. Now if you find the video helpful, give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon for more helpful tech tutorial. And if you are visiting this channel for the first time, subscribe and click on the bell icon for more helpful tech tutorial, and because you will love this channel. And if you have any question, leave it at the comment section. I will do so to reply you. Thank you most of all for watching. See you on the next video. Peace.